Ethical hacking tools. Ethical hacking tools are software applications or utilities that are used by security professionals and ethical hackers to identify vulnerabilities, assess the security of systems, and protect against potential threats. These tools are essential for ethical hacking activities, penetration testing, and security audits. In this explanation, I will provide an overview of some commonly used ethical hacking tools within a 1,000-word limit. 1. Nmap. Nmap, Network Mapper, is a powerful open-source network scanning tool used for network exploration and security auditing. It helps in discovering hosts, services, and open ports on a network. Nmap provides a wide range of scanning techniques and allows customization for specific scanning requirements. 2. Metasploit Framework. Metasploit is a widely used penetration testing framework that provides a comprehensive suite of tools and exploits for testing and verifying system vulnerabilities. It assists in identifying security weaknesses and allows security professionals to launch targeted attacks to assess system defenses. 3. Wireshark. Wireshark is a network protocol analyzer that captures and analyzes network traffic in real time. It helps in understanding network behavior, detecting anomalies, and identifying potential security issues. Wireshark supports various protocols and provides detailed insights into network packets. 4. Burp Suite. Burp Suite is an integrated platform for performing web application security testing. It includes multiple tools like a web proxy, scanner, intruder, and repeater, which assist in identifying and exploiting vulnerabilities in web applications. Burp Suite is widely used by security professionals for manual and automated testing. 5. Aircracking. Aircracking is a set of tools used for auditing wireless networks. It includes utilities for capturing packets, performing cryptographic attacks on WEP and WPA, WPA2 passwords, and analyzing wireless network security. Aircracking is commonly used for testing the security of Wi-Fi networks. 6. John the Ripper. John the Ripper is a popular password cracking tool that helps in testing the strength of passwords. It supports various cracking modes, including dictionary-based attacks and brute force attacks, and is capable of cracking password hashes from different operating systems and applications. 7. Nictu. Nictu is an open-source web server scanner that identifies common vulnerabilities in web servers and performs comprehensive tests for web server misconfigurations. It can scan multiple web servers and provides detailed reports on discovered vulnerabilities. 8. Nessus. Nessus is a widely used vulnerability assessment tool that scans networks and systems for potential security weaknesses. It helps in identifying vulnerabilities, misconfigurations, and outdated software versions. Nessus provides detailed reports and prioritizes the discovered vulnerabilities based on severity. 9. Hydra. Hydra is a popular password cracking tool that supports various network protocols and services. It allows security professionals to perform brute force attacks, dictionary attacks, and hybrid attacks to crack passwords and gain unauthorized access to systems. 10. SQL Map. SQL Map is a specialized tool for detecting and exploiting SQL injection vulnerabilities in web applications and databases. It automates the process of identifying vulnerable SQL statements and extracting data from databases. SQL Map supports different database systems and offers a range of options for advanced testing. 11. Multigo. Multigo is a powerful open-source intelligence and forensics tool. It helps in gathering information about individuals, organizations, and network infrastructures by analyzing publicly available data. Multigo visualizes relationships between entities and assists in identifying potential security risks. 12. OWASP Zap. OWASP Zap, Z Attack Proxy, is an open-source web application security scanner. It helps in detecting common web application vulnerabilities like cross-site scripting, XSS, SQL injection, and insecure direct object references. OWASP Zap provides an intuitive interface for manual and automated security testing. 13. THC Hydra. THC Hydra is a fast and flexible network login cracking tool that supports various protocols and services. It allows security professionals to launch brute force and dictionary-based attacks to test the strength of login credentials on target systems. 14. Kali Linux. Kali Linux is a popular Linux distribution designed for penetration testing and ethical hacking. It comes pre-installed with a wide range of tools, including the ones mentioned above, making it a comprehensive platform for conducting security assessments. 15. OpenSSL. OpenSSL is a widely used open-source toolkit for SSL, TLS protocols. It provides libraries and command line tools for secure communication, cryptographic functions, and certificate management. OpenSSL is often used to test the security of SSL, TLS implementations and identify vulnerabilities. 16. Social Engineer Toolkit, SET. The Social Engineer Toolkit is a toolset that focuses on social engineering attacks. It includes various attack vectors, such as phishing, credential harvesting, and creating malicious payloads. SET helps security professionals assess the effectiveness of security awareness training and test the resilience of organizations against social engineering attacks. 17. Malware Analysis Tools. Various tools are available for analyzing and dissecting malware samples to understand their behavior and identify potential threats. Some commonly used malware analysis tools include EDA Pro, OllyDBG, Ghidra, and Cuckoo Sandbox. 18. Hashcat. Hashcat is a powerful password recovery tool that supports various algorithms and attack modes. It utilizes the power of GPU acceleration to crack password hashes efficiently. Hashcat is often used to test the strength of hashed passwords in different applications and systems. 19. OSINT tools. Open Source Intelligence, OSINT, tools are used for gathering information from publicly available sources, such as social media platforms, websites, and online forums. These tools assist in collecting data for reconnaissance and conducting in-depth research on individuals or organizations. Some popular OSINT tools include Multigo, The Harvester, and Recon-ing. 20. Beef. Beef, Browser Exploitation Framework, is a tool specifically designed for exploiting vulnerabilities in web browsers. It allows security professionals to assess the security of client-side applications, launch browser-based attacks, and gather information about targeted systems. It is important to note that ethical hacking tools should only be used with proper authorization and in compliance with legal and ethical standards. Misuse of these tools can lead to illegal activities and significant harm. Ethical hackers and security professionals should always obtain proper permission and adhere to responsible disclosure practices when performing security assessments. In conclusion, ethical hacking tools play a crucial role in identifying vulnerabilities, assessing the security of systems, and protecting against potential threats. The tools mentioned above represent a diverse range of utilities that assist security professionals in conducting penetration testing, vulnerability assessments, and security audits. It is essential to stay updated with the latest tools, techniques, and ethical standards to effectively carry out ethical hacking activities and contribute to the security of systems and networks. Thanks for watching.